Hello, I'm John Herr from Town & Country Compounding Pharmacy in Ramsey, New Jersey. We're a 503A compounding pharmacy, and we're accredited, which puts us in the top 1% of compounding pharmacies in the United States. We work with many manufacturers and also academic institutions in the development of new drugs and clinical trials. Over the last 3 years, I've had the privilege of working with the company Vasceptor, and they have a product, Vasceptor, that has already gone through phase 1 clinical trials. Vasceptor contains curcumin, which is classified as a Class 1 bulk active ingredient by the FDA. And because of this, we can, as a 503A compounding pharmacy, compound with this product. We can do this and dispense it directly to a patient on receipt of a valid prescription from a U.S. licensed physician. The curcumin in Vasceptor contains a highly concentrated and patented form of curcumin that contains 3 curcuminoids, each with their own therapeutic activity. Oral curcumin products, also pronounced as curcumin, abound in the marketplace. There is a voluminous amount of scientific literature touting the safety and potential beneficial effects of curcumin. Unfortunately, oral administration of curcumin has limited clinical efficacy. Because of its limited absorption by the gut, rapid breakdown by the liver, and its relatively fast excretion from the body, these processes, among others, limit curcumin's potential as a potent therapeutic agent. Vasceptor, the product that I'm holding right now, is a specially formulated topical transdermal curcuminoid-based gel that overcomes the limitations in oral administration of curcumin. Results to date suggest that topically applied Vasceptor may alleviate inflammation and pain for patients. Vasceptor has been tested in a 48-subject, randomized, placebo-controlled, double-blind clinical trial, in which it was compared to a placebo. The product was well tolerated, there were no adverse events, and there was evidence of transdermal delivery. Vasceptor has been extensively tested as a topical transdermal product. In a series of animal efficacy models, these results are now entering the scientific literature. Some of the preclinical findings at leading American research institutions showed that Vasceptor, when topically applied, achieved the following results: reduced pain, reduced inflammation. Efficacy may be achieved with only a small amount of Vasceptor, which is rubbed into the skin, as I will show you now. I take my pen, I remove the top, I simply click the bottom. You can hear an audible click. There's my dose. Now I can take it, apply it to the area where my pain is, and I just simply rub it in. Once rubbed in, it will permeate through the skin and enter the circulatory system and local tissue, where it is anticipated to have beneficial effects both locally and systemically with respect to pain and inflammation. To avoid unwanted staining of clothing or household goods, cover the Vasceptor-treated body part after application. Covering options include a brace, a sleeve, or a wrap that you don't mind being stained. You can also use an elastic wrap, such as an ACE bandage, or a suitably sized waterproof bandage or wound dressing, such as I showed, the Mepital dressing, or simply athletic tape. To remove Vasceptor from the skin, simply wash with soap and warm water. A Vasceptor patient information sheet is included with each prescription shipped to a patient, along with the product. What's required for a patient to receive Vasceptor is a prescription from a U.S. licensed physician. We currently ship compounded products, including Vasceptor, to patients in 14 states, and we will be expanding to approximately 25 states as 2023 unfolds. For more information about Vasceptor, its application and uses, please contact us at 201-447-2020. You can additionally text us at that number. You can also visit our website, tccompound.com, or email us at pharmacist@tccompound.com. Any one of these ways, you can get more information about the states that we ship to and additional information about Vasceptor itself. Thank you.